Since me and my girl were becoming lazy, okay, I got it now. Since me and my girl Sabby were becoming lazy bums, and she was irritated, bored out of her frame, she had the idea we should go and do something. That something turned out to be visiting a farm. It was a great idea. I was down. It was a free event anyway, so we had nothing to lose. We were out on our way. We on Pine Road. Sabby got us out here in the middle of nowhere with a big bag of snacks. We going? Oh. See, we already seeing nature. We ain't even on the farm yet. It's a little bird nest. Can't keep the camera steady though. What? That lump? A lump makes you itch? This, if you ever want to make my girl itch, this is what you do. Show her this lump. Scratch something. Scratch your leg. Let me. Come on, come on. I'm paparazzi for right now. I'm gonna get you on the farm though, so it's okay. That even wasn't an edit effect. That was just the camera. It was really decent. I thought I should share that. Hey, so you got your thinking face on?
Wait, I'm in nature face.
Say hi, Mom. Come on, you in the wilderness and everything? Come on.
My mom or your mom?
Mom, just mom. Mom ain't a real person. It's just a title.
Can I say mama?
You know.
Can I say mama?
The birds sound weird around here though.
You see the little stick that's sculpted like a little bird?
Where? Oh yeah, that's gold, baby.
A gay cameraman. Like, oh yeah, that's gold, baby.
Ooh. Stay tuned,
I like it here.
Mommy.
It don't smell farmy enough.
When we reached the entrance of the farm, there was a do not enter sign, but we decided to enter it anyway. After we did, I talked to a few people, and we got settled by the goats. And once we got there, I decided to have some fun at Sabby's expense. What happened? What Corey say?
Don't get it dirty.
What you do? Let me see. Let me see this thing. Let me see. Well, we don't want to look at you no way, because we got quality goats right here. Looking at the goats piqued my curiosity, so I decided it was time to get up and ask some questions. Feel me?
Eating them? That's all you know how to do. Why is all... Oh.
Hey, excuse me, are the goats going to be in the show or something?
In June, we're going to have a mini farm show. Yeah, June. June 7th or 8th.
So do they have all have names and stuff?
Yeah, they all have names. I can remember a couple. This one's Midnight.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, my sons are out here.
For all you lamb lovers, we'll come back to the goats later. This is when we moved on to my favorite animal, the cows. I heard that these belong to 2 kids that's even younger than us. And they gotta come up to the farm every day.
She wants attention.
They got their names. I think they both males.
My head's not working.
Well, look at his eyeball. His name's not Delilah.
It is Delilah. Hey, Delilah. Delilah. Your name
Let me touch my favorite type of animal. Oh, ew.
Hey, Bone Shishi. Look at her peeing. You see it? All nasty.
I can't see it in the camera, but I see it in person.
What the heck? There's a black cow over there. Y'all fat. Y'all so fat and hamburgers.
Who takes a black person? Chesney?
If they try to headbutt, that is the way of playing. Seriously, that's what they do to headbutt. Alright? Yeah, right there.
I read that he weighed about 770 pounds already.
He's probably closer to 8.5, 9.
I was calling him Delilah.
Oh man.
When when we take them up to farm show, weigh in about 1,200 to 1,400. Yep. Yeah. Have a hand and stick. Yeah, I thought so.
What is that about when he lick you?
They're just showing friendship. They do it.
I made friends with my first cow.
See? Look.
Just in case you wasn't paying attention anymore. But after the cows, me and Sabby went to take a look at the pigs.
The lady had a pig on display with rotten pets. It looked like this one.
These are the farms. That the farm themselves.
Little
That's
piggies.
about 45 pounds.
How old are they?
They're only about a month.
Dang, they grow fast.
Can you bench press?
45 pounds? Of course I can 40 fast forward.
They are. These will be the one that you'll see in January. The kids walking around training. Oh yeah. Most of them know their names. They know the food and everything else.
What's their names?
That one's Digger.
Digger.
My daughter's is down here somewhere. There's my daughter drinking. Bibble,
That was cute. Look at that.
come on, Bibble. Yeah, stop wagging your tail.
It's like they are. That's so nice.
It's kind of cute though.
How can you not love a pig?
They got lips.
It do got lips. There she coming.
Bibble, come on. Come on, Bibble.
Excuse me.
Step over him. Yup.
Oh,
You are, guy.
Come here, Bibble. Hi, buddy.
wow, they're so cute.
Hi, Bibble. Yeah.
Are they friendly as the cows or no?
Yeah. They'll, come on. When we first get them, they run from everything. Now the kids can go in and lay down with them. They'll curl up with them.
In the pig side?
Yeah.
Nose is hard.
Yep. They're dirty right now because we're not allowed to clean because of the open house. Yeah, most people don't realize there's working farms in Philadelphia.
How long do
There's two working farms in the city of Philadelphia.
How long do the kids get to keep their animals and
6
for
months
each?
for 6 months for training. At the end of 6 months, every one of the kids know they're going to the slaughterhouse for food. They all know it. They all accept it. For 6 months, they become a pet. They get the best life they'll ever get.
They'll go to the slaughterhouse after 6 months?
Yep, after 6 months. The kids get you. My daughter, her first time up, she took second place. First time ever showing. She
Congratulations.
took second place. Knew her pig was going to food. She actually was in the. We have one demonstrator that's up there, which is Hatfield. They're the biggest buyer. They were up there buying. After my daughter showed, she was back at the Hatfield tent, serving food. Okay, and eating the kibasi herself. Okay, when we got back from Harrisburg, we weren't allowed to buy anything Hatfield for 3 months.
Oh, they mad smart. They just know where their feeders are.
They know where their feeder are. They know where their water is.
I didn't even know that was a feeder.
They sat up on their own. They know where their food's supposed to be.
And he don't like the one in that other feeder, so he go to this other feeder.
They'll jump around because it depends on the cage. They can hog. They'll actually open up one, eat, and put their food in front of the other so nobody else can get their food.
Very dangerous.
Pigs are so good.
When farm show, our mini farm show, we'll actually, the kids will be interacting with their kids, or with their pigs, and the pigs will back to people who go in and actually interact with the pigs.
What's the toughest part about raising pigs?
They're stubborn till they get to know you.
Yeah.
We have to get happy. Nope. Right now they know they're not coming out of their pen, so they're going to be lazy. Normally, when we have our meeting on Saturday, all we got to do is, and as you see, they'll all get up because they think they're going out. And they'll go out back. They run around out back. And most people don't realize when they run, they bark like a dog.
They bark?
They bark.
Oh,
They actually will sound like a dog.
They go bark.
They bark when they run.
Art. So what's the special occasion? Why can't they run around today?
Because of the open house, we're not allowed to, the kids aren't allowed to bring their animals out.
Oh,
Oh, you're kind of hard.
I know. You feel like a brush.
Get your little neck one.
All muscle. That's all meat.
And just like that, we headed to the baby animals.
No,
Freedom.
No?
I think all we have on this farm is sheep, goats, pigs, and steers.
Alright.
So cute.
Yeah, it's a baby chick, not a baby duck.
Look, the baby duck's trying to eat.
These ducks, and they got little baby chicks in the incubator.
Oh,
Circle.
what should I name you?
They're sleepy.
Swizzy.
Are we allowed to touch the rabbits?
Yeah.
That said, Sabby went straight to touch the little baby rabbits, which I think are really evil. How old are the little baby rabbits?
That one escaped me. See, okay, what's looking for? Watch it.
I heard you're not supposed to let them see the ground.
Remember how we saw
You're not. I don't know, because then they'll like have a heart attack.
How old are these? How old are they?
Hi, little one. I'm not sure they're.
from outside?
I don't know where she went. They're big.
It's
She's
alright.
right over there. I think that's where she is. Right there. I think she's right
Huh?
SPCA.
Green sweatshirt.
Yeah.
They won't look like this.
You're so cute. Hey.
Sabby having some friendly time with a little rabbit. Little baby bunny. I ain't heard bunny since I've been here, so that's surprising.
I think I broke my phone when I got it.
What's wrong with it?
You want to come in? There's a little bunny in here.
I'm alright. The bunnies are evil.
Mine is. It bites people.
Yes.
These aren't. It hurts and bites people. They're docile. These are nice bunnies. Not evil like mine.
Sabby, pose with it.
There's one last one in there.
If not the phone right now.
No, yes, the phone right now. Alright, it's coming on.
This one
Alright,
was
pose
big.
with him real quick.
This one has been hiding behind its mother all day, and we finally got it out.
Yeah. Let me see, Sabby.
Did you ever see
That's such a
that?
baddie.
Layla, look.
Caitlin.
Did you see that?
Caitlin, mom's sleeping.
Well, look at this.
Let me look at the baby cow.
Look at this. Look at this. Wait for it. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I saw this on I think we got more bunnies. I saw this on
Oh,
YouTube.
baby man. After spending time with the baby animals and looking around and stuff, we decided to take a trip to see the gang. How you feeling, chick? Let's free him. Why the fudge they make that sound, I do not know. Try it. Anything for film. And one more last thing. Here's Sabby's favorite goat, Sneakers. I told her he could be in the video. Well, until next time.